Hi guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. So after the cooking, after the eating, there's hugasin waiting. So hindi pa naman ako may kusina, no? Fresh pa naman. Fresh pa more. Who cares? Ano pa? Buti na rin doon. Malinis. Ako hugas-hugas pa eh. Hugas again. Hindi kayo sanay kung hindi ako magsalita. I'm wearing a mask. Pero nakikita yung ating face. Not so dami. If words over ko later. I'm so lucky talaga. Promise. Ito na natin 2-3 minutes. Oh, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Try natin kung ano yung sasabihin ko later, no? Or magsasalita ba ako or hindi ako magsasalita. So that's all muna for today, guys. Join me again on my next video. Kahit ano lang yan. Join me again on my next video. Enjoy the rest of the day. Happy Sunday, everyone. Okay, thank you for watching and love, love, love.